I welcome all of you. We are seeing the standard 7th math. We are seeing the chapter 2 multiplication and division of integer. Practice set 9. Example 2. Write three divisions of integers such that the fractional form of each will be 24 by 5. Means what? Whatever divisions you are doing, after that the result will be 24 by 5. So you have to write the three divisions of that. So for that three divisions you can choose any example. Okay, so this is the first. I am writing as 48 by 10, and when I am writing this 48 by 10, I can simplify it by 24 by 2 and 2 by 5. When we have these two common, cancel it, the answer will be 24 by 5. Like that, you have to find that your ultimate result is 24 by 5. Second example, I can take as of minus 96 by minus 20. You know that this is minus 1 divided by minus 1 multiplied by. How I can just simplify this 96? I can simplify it by 24 by 4 and 5 by 4. So what is the common in that? 4 and 4. What is the rule of division? When we are dividing one negative integer by another negative integer, result is positive one. That's why result is 24 by 5. This is the second fraction. And now third we have to see that should be of, if I am taking it as 144 by 30. So how I can simplify this 144? That is 24 by 6, and I can simplify 30 as 6 by 5. Common is 6 6. That's why the answer is 24 by 5. So in the all this case, this fraction is 24 by 5, 24 by 5. This is also 24 by 5. Third example is, on the same basis, write the three divisions of integer such that the fractional form of each will be minus 5 by 7. So fractional part is, we want now minus 5 by 7. So I am choosing first example as minus 10 divided by 14. How I can take it as minus 1 divided by plus 1 multiplied by 5 by 2 divided by 2 by 7. 5 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 7. So here when negative integer is there, we are dividing it by positive, result is negative 1. Here 2 is common, I am cancelling it, and result is 5 ones are 5 and 7 ones are 7. So second, I am taking example as 49. I am taking it as minus 35 by 49. So I am just again bifurcating it, minus 1 divided by plus 1 multiplied by 35, 7 5s are, and here 7 7s are. Again you know that what is the result of negative integer divided by positive integer, result is negative. Here 7 is common, that's why it is minus 5 by 7. Then third example I am taking. In the third example I am taking as minus 150 divided by 210. How I can simplify it? Minus 1 divided by plus 1 multiplied by 15 tens and 15 14s. Okay, so when we are calculating, this is the common one. Again, this can be simplified as minus 1 divided by plus 1 multiplied by 5 by 2 and 2 by 7. The result is what? This is negative, this is 2 is common, and this is the 5 by 7. So in each example you have to find out that after write the three divisions of integers such that the fractional form of each will be minus 5 by 7. You have to take care that while taking these numbers you have to take the multiply of this number. If suppose I am multiplying it by one number, it is multiplied of 2, then this is also multiply of 2. If I am taking this 35, this is the multiply of 7, this is the multiply of 7. So like that you have to choose the number and you can find out the multiplication of it. Then last example we have to see, but before that, what is that given in this case? That fish pond below, here some fish pond is here, this is the fish pond, and in that fish pond carry some numbers are there. Choose any 4 pairs and carry out 4 multiplication with those numbers. Now choose other pairs and carry out division of these numbers. For example, if suppose this fish is carrying some numbers, suppose here multiplication minus 13 multiplied by minus 15, result is 195. And this is the division. I am dividing minus 24 by 9, result is minus 8 by 3. Like that you have to do the multiplication and division. So I have chosen some numbers, and with the help of that I am doing first of all multiplication. We are seeing example 4. So you know that when I am multiplying one negative number with one positive number, result is what? Negative number. Okay, so 9 threes are, so it is result is 117. 13 nines are 117. So again I am multiplying minus 27 by minus 15. You know that result is what? When we are multiplying one negative integer with another negative integer, result is positive 1. So what is the multiplication of 15 by 27? 15 sevens are, and 15 twos are 30 plus 10, that is 40. 405. Okay, then 41 multiplied by 12, result is positive, no doubt. What is the multiplication of that? 12 ones are 12, so I am taking 2 over here, and 12 fours are 48 plus 1 49. Then what is the multiplication of 13 by 12? 12 threes are 36, I am taking 6, and 12 ones are 12 plus 3 15. So it is the multiplication result. As here sign is positive, there is no need to write that. Then I have chosen some numbers for the division. Okay, for these divisions I have chosen this number as minus 27 divided by minus 24. So I can write it as minus 1 divided by minus 1 multiplied by 27 can be written as 3 9s are, and here I can write 3 8s are. Okay, so what is the result of division when we are dividing one negative number by another negative integer? Result is positive number, and this is the common one, so result is 9 by 8. Then I have chosen the second number, that is plus 41 divided by minus 37. So I have taken this as, though I have taken this as plus 1, here minus 1 multiplied by 41 divided by 37, but we cannot simplify this 41 and 37. That's why the result is what? When we are dividing positive integer with negative integer, result is negative, that is 41 by 37. Then I have taken the third example as minus 18 divided by 9, that is minus 1 divided by plus 1 multiplied by 18 can be written as 9 2s are, and this 9 can be written as 9 1s are. Okay, you know that what is the result of when we are dividing negative integer by positive integer? Result is negative 1. This is the common one, so 2 1s are 2 and 1 1s are 1, so answer is 2, that is minus 2, because sign is negative. Then last example, that is minus 13 divided by plus 13. So if I have written this as minus 1 plus 1 multiplied by 13 by 13, you know that the result is, this is the cancel one, and negative positive is negative, and result is minus 1. So according to this rule we have solved this. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe or like our channel is cool. Thank you.